Cloud Spaces, Next Generation Personal Clouds. Cloud Spaces is a European project made up of Universitat Rovira i Virgili, Eurocom, TISAT, NEC, iOS and EPFL. The project consists of three main building blocks: storage, security and services. The major project outcome is Stack Sync, a scalable, secure and open source personal cloud. Let's take a look at Stack Sync. Stack Sync is a complete personal cloud service that enables users to store, synchronize and share files across a wide range of devices. Innovative features of Stack Sync. During the Cloud Spaces project, the consortium integrated innovative features in Stack Sync. First, we designed a novel security mechanism that protects users' data confidentiality from malicious providers. Second, we developed a multi-cloud storage layer for Stack Sync that provides a more robust service than other vendors. And finally, we drafted the first interoperability protocol that allows multiple personal clouds to share files. Syncing and sharing. Let's give an example. Imagine that Bob uses his laptop to store a file in the Stack Sync folder. Automatically, Stack Sync synchronizes and uploads the file to the cloud. Bob can also access the file via the Stack Sync mobile client and the web page. He can also share it with Carl by simply moving it to a shared folder. Security building block. Existing security models. Today, most personal clouds offer online storage, synchronization and sharing. However, one of the major drawbacks of today's personal clouds is the lack of security and privacy guarantees on users' data. Sensitive data can be compromised. Attribute-based encryption. To solve the problem of security, we integrated an attribute-based encryption in Stack Sync. Unlike other vendors, the novelty of this mechanism is that it enables users to store and share data securely. It's the new way to share data securely. Why? Data is encrypted before it's uploaded to the cloud. A set of attributes is used to provide fine-grained file encryption. Each file is encrypted with a set of attributes. Sharing, attribute-based encryption. Let's see how it works in more detail. Here we have Alice and Bob. They both use Stack Sync. Bob wants to add Alice to a shared folder. First of all, he assigns Alice an attribute free with her access policy. When Bob uploads a file, he chooses a set of attributes to encrypt it. When Alice receives the notification that a new file has been added to the shared folder, she'll be able to decrypt it if and only if the attributes of the file meet her access policy. Privy Seal, Privacy Assistant for sharing data. Privy Seal is a new web app serving as a personal privacy assistant. It helps users share data that is already hosted by a cloud storage provider. A user can consult Privy Seal before sharing data, either with a third-party cloud app or with other users of the service. PrivySeal responds by showing what the data might convey about the user, such as personal interests, opinions, places visited, or collaborators. The user can then make an informed decision about sharing the data. PrivySeal reports target sharing cloud data with other people and is tightly integrated into StackSync, offering users detailed reports on what data they might reveal before sharing folders with collaborators. Users can consult PrivySeal whenever they want to share cloud data with third-party cloud apps, such as a music player or slideshow maker, or with fellow users of the service. Storage building block. Hybris, robust cloud storage. Hybris is a robust and strongly consistent storage backend. It distributes data over public untrusted clouds while preserving strong consistency and fault tolerance. Thus, if a cloud provider should become unavailable, you can still access your data. Services building block. Interoperability. In this project, we designed the first interoperability protocol for personal cloud. Our protocol mitigates the data lock-in problem, as we can freely share files and folders across different providers. Thanks to the novel interoperability protocol, we can share files and folders between different clouds. In this example, we have Bob and Carl. They are both working for the same company, but they store their personal data in different cloud providers, StackSync and NEC Cloud Storage. They access their files from iOS. When Bob shares a folder with Carl, the StackSync server realizes that Carl is not a user of the platform and activates the interoperability protocol. As soon as Carl wants to access the shared folder, both providers will exchange data and Carl will be able to download and modify shared files. Conclusion. StackSync is a ready-to-use personal cloud with unique storage, synchronization and sharing features. StackSync offers a white-label business model that is currently attracting several European SMEs. Today, there are several deployments of StackSync around the world and an active open source community supporting the project. About us. Do you want to know more? Check out the website to find out about all StackSync features and feel free to join our community at stacksync.org and github.com.